This is Wiley from Learn-to-Barbecue. For centuries, Pitmasters have reigned supreme over the culinary world, their dominion marked by smoky aromas and tender, juicy meats. But a new insidious threat has emerged: the vegetarian. These deceptively calm individuals, armed with nothing more than tofu and a sinister twinkle in their eye, are quietly plotting the downfall of barbecue as we know it. It's time to face the facts. Vegetarians are no longer content with their bland salads and tasteless grains. They've been secretly honing their culinary skills, developing plant-based concoctions that are so convincingly meat-like, they've even fooled dogs. Yes, you read that right. Dogs. These culinary ninjas are infiltrating barbecue competitions, masquerading as innocent bystanders, only to unleash their plant-based fury on unsuspecting judges. Their secret weapon? Impossible burgers that bleed, jackfruit pulled pork that rivals the real thing, and cauliflower wings that will make you question your entire existence. It's not just the taste buds that are under attack. Vegetarians are also waging a psychological war. With every award-winning plant-based dish, they chip away at the Pitmasters' confidence. Soon, these once proud purveyors of meat will be reduced to quivering wrecks, their tongues abandoned in despair. The rise of vegetarianism is more than just a culinary trend. It's a full-scale assault on the meat-centric worldview. Vegetarians are cunningly exploiting the growing consumer demand for healthier, more sustainable food options. They've infiltrated grocery stores, restaurants, and even the hallowed grounds of barbecue competitions. Consider the humble hot dog. For decades, this all-American staple has been a cornerstone of backyard barbecues. But now, there are plant-based hot dogs that look, cook, and even taste like the real thing. How is a pitmaster supposed to compete with that? It's like facing a team of genetically enhanced athletes when you're still wearing your dad's old sweatpants. And let's not forget the power of social media. Vegetarians have mastered the art of online persuasion, using mouth-watering photos and emotionally charged rhetoric to convert unsuspecting carnivores. Their carefully curated feeds showcase a world of vibrant, wholesome plant-based cuisine, while pitmasters are still struggling with how to publish Instagram photos without a phone. But it's not all doom and gloom for the meat-loving community. While the threat is real, it's not insurmountable. Pitmasters can fight back by doubling down on their core competencies. Focus on sourcing the highest quality meats, perfecting your smoking techniques, and developing signature sauces that can't be replicated by any plant-based imposter. Additionally, pitmasters can explore ways to incorporate plant-based options into their menus. Offering a few carefully crafted vegetarian dishes can help broaden your customer base and even attract new fans. Remember, it's not about surrendering to the vegetarian menace. It's about adapting and evolving. Ultimately, the battle between pitmasters and vegetarians is a microcosm of the larger cultural shift towards sustainability and ethical consumption. As consumers become more conscious of their dietary choices, the pressure on the meat industry will only increase. So, pitmasters, fear not the vegetarian menace. Instead, see it as an opportunity to innovate, adapt, and ultimately strengthen your position as culinary masters. The future of barbecue may be uncertain, but one thing is for sure: the competition is heating up. While vegetarians are causing a stir in the barbecue world, it's the vegans who are truly pushing the boundaries. These hardcore plant-based enthusiasts are not content with simply abstaining from meat. They are on a mission to eliminate all animal products from the planet. Veganism is more than just a dietary choice. It's a lifestyle. And these lifestyle warriors are bringing their A-game to the culinary battlefield. They've developed plant-based cheeses, milks, and even eggs that are indistinguishable from their animal-derived counterparts. But it doesn't stop there. Vegan activists are also targeting the fashion industry, the entertainment business, and even the pet food market. Their influence is growing at an alarming rate, and pitmasters would be wise to keep a close eye on these determined individuals. So, what does the future hold for barbecue? Will pitmasters be relegated to the culinary sidelines, their reign of dominance over? Or will they rise to the challenge and emerge as even more formidable forces? The answer is far from clear. One thing is certain, however, the barbecue landscape is changing rapidly. Pitmasters who can adapt to the evolving tastes and preferences of consumers will be the ones who thrive. Whether it's by incorporating plant-based options, focusing on sustainable sourcing, or simply perfecting the art of classic barbecue, pitmasters who can deliver exceptional flavor and quality will always have a place at the table. So, let's raise a glass, or a plant-based alternative, to the future of barbecue. May it be a future filled with smoky aromas, bold flavors, and a healthy dose of competition. Till next time. If there is a next time.